hopping on into Shadow Shinobi next. Anyway, get this out of here. We're here for Shadow Shinobi, okay? This is like the one thing I haven't gotten for the most part. I got one Shadow Shinobi somewhere. Where is it? I have a blue Shadow Shinobi somewhere. Just because I didn't have Shadow Shinobi for like who knows how long. But I now finally have it, and I'm happy. Because I can turn Metal Needle into ball and flatten metal ball. So yeah, exciting stuff. Anyway, where is the knife? I was about to say, where's the knife at? Arrival date says April. Hey, I guess mine just came out earlier, man. Mine just came out early. I don't know what to tell y'all. I guess somebody at Amazon screwed up. Alright. Oh, don't worry. I'm not gonna be using Metal Needle. I'm gonna show it off, but I'm not gonna use it. Hey, Dark Artemis. Alright. Oh, package is ripping. That's not good. Alright. Shadow Shinobi. Man, okay, and you get the standard this time. Nothing too special, not like Insidious, not like Buster. Let's beat that. Just throw those. Oh god, my shatter! My shatter. My shatter. The stadium has shattered. Just imagine if I went ahead and just went like that into my stadium already. That was disappointing. Anyway, Shadow Shinobi. There you go. QR code for people that want it. Chat. There you go. Ooh. Actually, Shadow Shinobi is actually kind of fire. Not gonna lie. It looks. Oh man. Bro, if this thing didn't weigh that much, if this was heavier, that'd be pretty cool. Anyway, Metal Needle. That thing's sharp as can be. Good thing we're not using it. Ha. And then we got 160. Oh, sorry, 180. Nice coloration. I do like this coloration. I think it would go perfect with. Oh yeah, it actually goes perfect. It goes perfectly with Saber. Bro. That actually goes perfectly. Throw it like a dart. You know, this is cardboard, so might as well. The way I just chunked it. Oh. Well, for anybody wondering, we'll do that. There we go. There we go, chat. I think that's appropriate. Anyway, we're gonna replace it with normal needle. Oh, damn it! I forgot to do the weight for it. Damn it! Good thing I have another metal needle somewhere. I don't know where. Man, this stream is extremely scuffed. Alright, Shadow Shinobi weighs 26 grams. Oh, sorry, 27. My goodness, that thing is light as balls. Where did I put Saber? Where's my Saber? Bro, where did I put Saber? What? Guys, I lost my Saber. Oh wait, here it is. I was about to say I lost it. Once. Yeah, there's that. Metal needle. Ah, there it is. Okay, we have the alt metal needle. Anyway, pull it on out.
Guys, it's 3 grams. It's 3 grams. Yo, Vanilla Wolf, how's it going? The cooking skill, yeah. Anyway, we're gonna stick that phone call. We're gonna replace it with normal needle. We don't need to have it. Alright, and all together. Damn it, I need to pull it back out again. Alright, you know what? I'm just using this one. All together, 37 grams. That is not that heavy. Not that heavy whatsoever. And then with normal needle, was it 36? Yeah, it's 1 gram lighter, guys. Guys, that makes the biggest deal. It does. Trust me, it does. Alright, anyway, 3, 2, 1, let her. Because, you know, it's a Hasbro. What in the world? Okay, 3D printing stuff. It looks fairly unbalanced. I don't know how to feel about it. Oh god. Oh yeah, it has 180. No wonder it's unbalanced. That makes sense. Anyway, our opponents are going to be... You know what? Our opponents. Impact Drake 460 Low Rush. Drum Buster 380 Low Flat. Sorry, Low Flat on both of these. And then Dolahan 560 80 Needle. So defense battle, yeah. Yeah, chat. 3, 2, 1, let it. Oh, why is it stuck? It's stuck, chat. Free metal needle? Nah, it ain't getting free anytime soon. Bro, what are you doing, man? What are you doing? Get out of there. That was so disappointing. I want y'all to know, that was really disappointing. Oh, that bounce back there. That was pretty cool. Okay, Shinobi actually doing something solid here. Don't worry, guys. I put something in its weight class so it can beat something. Don't worry, we're doing Dolahan first so it can beat it in its weight class. The Samurai Saber? This is TT Samurai Saber. Alright, Dolahan. Let's go! Oh, okay. Oh, it just exploded out of nowhere. It said, I'm out of here, and just says, yeah, I don't want to even exist as a combo anymore. Damn. That's depressing, man. Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know how to feel about 180 on Shinobi. I don't know how to feel about it whatsoever. Oh! Okay. Okay. Bro, if Shadow Shinobi is sucking this bad, what do you think is gonna happen with Impact? What do you think is gonna happen with Impact, Drake? I'm a little concerned. Oh god, the way it almost came out. If I had my knees how I had them earlier, it would have hit my knees. You know, I'm gonna put my knees back to how they were beforehand. More extra res, you're telling me. Hang on, what's that little white object that's sitting, that's hovering? Oh, it got thrown. No, it didn't catch my knees, but it caught the recoil. Bro, it went for both knees. It's a single grain of rice. How did a single grain of rice end up in my stadium? I don't even eat rice. How? Oh, you're not going back in there. Okay. Oh! Shinobi won! But at what cost? God damn it! What did I think was gonna happen? I don't know, about the grain of rice just randomly appearing? Anyway, okay, you know what? We're going on to Impact. It can't be worse than that, right, chat? Right. Oh, it bursted. Great. Wait, hang on. Can it? Oh, yeah, no, it didn't. No, that was kind of depressing. I don't know about y'all, but that was kind of depressing. My cat was eating rice? Where did my cat get rice from? What do you mean? Oh! Ah! The camera! Bro, Impact is so calm, and then Shinobi over here, but like, I want to rampage. Shinobi gives off gremlin energy. Okay? Ah! Shit! Ah! God, that one really fucking hurt. Ah! Oh, God! Fuck! You know, like, how you hit, like, a piece of metal on a piece of metal and it, like, vibrates? That's what my whole knee felt like. It just vibrated through my body, and it hurts. Okay. Why is Impact so calm? That's what I want to know why Impact is so calm. This isn't okay. This isn't normal. Impact, you're going on your point. Your point. Woo! See, that's better. That's so much better. I don't like that Impact calm. Impact being calm scares me. Okay. It scares me a lot. Woo! Okay, Shinobi's actually back. It likes this goddamn knee! It likes it, I don't know why, but it hurts. Every time, I swear. I freaking swear. Fuck! I want to scream, but it's too late at night to scream. Oh, it hurts. It keeps hitting me in the same place, too. Oh, son of a bitch. Oh, God, I don't think I can actually keep my knee out for that much more. Fuck you, Shadow Shinobi! Fuck you! Oh my God, my knee keeps getting obliterated by this fucking Shadow Shinobi. Oh. God damn. And I still got a Battle Buster. I'm not ready for this, chat. I'm really not. You know what? That best case scenario, it bursted. That was best case scenario right there. 100%. Bro, I'm not wearing knee pads, man. I'm not wearing knee pads. I ain't no bitch. But I am scared. I'm very scared of these two battling. Mama didn't raise no bitch over here. Alright. Oh dear god. Oh, man, if Shinobi had won that battle, that would have been something. Jesus. Alright, I need a compilation of this whole stream of just how many times I got hit in the knee, okay? Somebody make that edit for me, please. And then tag me. I would love to see it. Jesus Christ, it just pulled a sit. Oh my, what? The shorts viewers didn't even see how high it went. Bro, it went over the fucking wall. It went over the wall again. Okay, that was pretty wild. That was pretty sick. Okay, I thought it bursted. I thought it bursted. I was like, what? Yeah, I'm gonna be honest. I think Metal Needle should eternally stay there. That could have been bad for me. That could have been real bad for me. Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? I'm questioning everything, every decision I made in my life. Why am I doing this? Shinobi, please win this. Okay, we won. But at what cost? Bro, my anxiety is spiking with every battle. Okay, that was a pretty good extreme. That was a damn good extreme. Anyway, Shadow Shinobi is a fucking bitch, alright? It comes with Metal Needle, which, haha, it gets to stay there now. And, cool layer, cool shape. It fucking loves my right knee. It wants to get married to it. I don't know why, but it does. Alright? You're gonna rob me, Juice? Okay, well, I'm gonna rob you first, alright? Anyway, Shadow Shinobi, absolute bitch. Go buy it. My hate for Shadow Shinobi just